exciting journey into the world of music, cultural, and history. And today we are talking about a spectacular event, Tansen Samaro. And today we had come on a Tansen tomb that is situated in Hazira, nearby Muhammad Ghosh tomb. So today we'll explore the place and we'll get to learn about the history of Tansen, and you'll also get to learn about the music history of Tansen Samaro. And here are many people come here to visit this and in the honor of Tansen Samaro because it is held every year in Madhya Pradesh, Gwalior. So today we'll explore this place. Come with me. As you can see, a variety of instruments are placed here. So one by one we'll see the instruments. So first instrument is turhi. It is a trumpet type instrument. You can also see the paintings which are hanged on the wall in the honor of our place Gwalior, because the Tansen tomb is situated in Gwalior, so the painting is also hanged on the wall, and you can see the Muhammad Ghosh tomb at that painting. Come. As you can see, this place is very crowded. A lot of people come here in the honor of Tansen ji and make this moment more precious. See, the name of the instrument is Satvik Veena. The Satvik Veena is a highly modified instrument used in classical music. Here are many instruments that has the connection with the history. Ancient type of instruments are also placed here and modern instruments are also placed here. We'll see one by one. Come. As you can see, this is bean and this is timki jod, and there are different type of dholkis which are placed on the above floor of the stage. Local people of the Gwalior come here and get to learn about the things which are placed here, and here are also the exhibition of paintings. Different art colleges comes here and makes the exhibition and express their arts of their colleges. And we'll also see about the paintings because beautiful paintings are made here in the exhibition, and we'll also talk to them by doing the social interaction. And here is also the program of the singing where the classical music is sung, and here is the tomb of Muhammad Ghosh. It is very famous in Gwalior, and many Muslim, Hindu, every type of religion come here to express their gratitude. If you are also interested in listening music using this type of instruments, let me know in the comment section below. Now I'll show you different kinds of paintings and the patterns of paintings which are hanged there and the paintings who had made it. We'll also make social interactions with them. Now we'll get to meet with the artist who had come here and made the beautiful paintings. We'll do the interactions with them. Hello ma'am. Ma'am, what is your name? My name is Papu. Actually, I am from an institute and has given me a task to do social interactions in Tansen Samaro. So this painting is looking very beautiful. Can you tell me about this painting? Actually, all are doing paintings on the subject of music. Okay.
And we are expressing our views on music in our own way. Like I'm selected
And have you participated in any type of competitions in art?
we have done in my student life. Right now, like state award, there is a from the Indian state and lots of national level competitions. All unfortunate.
And what are you doing currently?
That is teaching in fine art university. Right now, I am. This is our professional. I mean, we sell this painting for so many.
Then do you come every year and dancing Samar?
Almost last year, last year.
So, you surprise you or you have to take any permission to come?
No, actually, cultural department invite all the guests.
So, are there any friends of yours in this Samar? Okay, they are all friends. So, you are of same college?
Not college, actually, we are from same profession, so we know each other.
Okay.
Most of the participants are faculty. Either they are in fine art college or in university or KR. We know each other.
Ma'am, what is your future?
Future, I'm living my future actually.
Yeah.
Currently, actually, I have completed my
But
studies.
what is the specific thing that you want to achieve?
Achieve that right now, like I'm doing my PhD. After that was like I'm teaching in Western education. And most of all, I would say just having my great shows, like art shows.
Ma'am, as you know about the condition, the parents don't allow the children to work in the art field. So, what is the scope in this?
Every profession has difficulties. It's not that when you do engineering you will have lot of people. It's not that. Today there is also you have to face some difficulties. So even here also you have to face difficult. But you have lots of people. Like I have completed initially I have completed BCom, but after that I have completed BA like graduation, then master's degree, then qualified NET. Then I'm doing PhD because I love people and I want to I want to become assistant professor. So for this you need all this.
Thank you for What is your name?
Dr. Meera Jain.
Okay, ma'am. Ma'am, what are you painting currently? What are you painting?
What are you painting means?
What are you drawing? What type of pattern it is?
नहीं this is my theme base
Okay.
है ना तो my theme is that
हाँ.
कि राधा जी कृष्ण को बोल रही हैं है ना कि मेरे हाथों में मतलब रंगे हुए हैं
Okay.
तो आप आके मेरी उसको चुनरी को संभाल दो इस तरीके
Okay,
से
okay, okay.
है ना ये थीम है बाकी गोपी की सखियां हैं
Okay, ma'am.
है ना
हाँ. Ma'am, from what are you doing currently?
अच्छा मीरा जी मैं
आप क्या कर रहे हो?
मैं आई एम असिस्टेंट प्रोफेसर हूँ
Okay.
जैसमिल गर्ल्स कॉलेज में
Okay, ma'am. Where is this college? It is in Gwalior.
या हजीरे
Hajira.
बिरला नगर
Okay. Ma'am, do you come every year in this program, event, Tansi
ना ये
Samaro?
इवेंट ही इसी साल हुआ है
Okay.
शायद पिछली बार भी हुआ था हर समय नहीं होता है
Ma'am, had they invited you in this Tansi Samaro?
या
They invited you?
इनवाइटेड आर्टिस्ट में हम लोग
Okay. Ma'am, as the many people come here and you're an artist, right?
या
Yeah. So, ma'am, many of the people think that art doesn't have any scope. So, what do you think about that? You can speak in English.
है ना मतलब समझाओ मुझे क्या सोचना
मतलब कि लोग बाग सोचते हैं कि आर्ट में कोई स्कोप नहीं है, फालतू का करियर है. So, what do you think about that?
नहीं आर्ट में आप अपना मन का एक्सप्रेस कर सकते हो जो भी एक्चुअल में आर्टिस्ट फ्रीलांस जो आर्टिस्ट होते हैं वो जो उनके दिमाग पे जो चीज़ स्ट्राइक होती है वही उनकी पेंटिंग में उभर कर आता है
Okay, ma'am.
वो जो सोचते हैं या किसी टॉपिक पे वो सोचेंगे तो उनकी सोच अपनी ओन होगी
Okay.
वो कहीं से कॉपी वर्क नहीं होगा ये आर्टिस्ट का काम होता है
Okay.
मेन
Ma'am, can you please tell me the different type of patterns in art?
दिस इज स्टाइल है
हाँ.
कि आप हर आर्टिस्ट अपनी तरीके से अपने स्टाइल में काम करता है
Okay.
है ना
Okay.
तो जितने आर्ट पर सब अपनी अपनी स्टाइल में काम कर रहे हैं
Okay, ma'am. Thank you for giving your
Okay.
precious time. Thank you so much.
ओके थैंक
Okay, ma'am. What is your name?
Myself Vaishali Jain, Ghosh.
Yeah.
for the exhibition.
Okay, what materials you used in this replica?
We used cardboard and thermocol, and somewhere we used clay for the sculptures of the.
How did you get this idea?
Just for the exhibition, we wanted to show the Tansin Sangeet Samaroh in our exhibition.
Ma'am, do you made this type of project only, or are you interested in art also?
Actually, we are from graphic designing. In fine arts, we include everything: sculptures, paintings, and graphic designing, etc.
in paintings?
Yeah, I'm actually making a canvas in this.
Okay, ma'am. As there are many type of patterns in art, so can you please tell me the basic patterns of art? Like
Patterns. Actually, I'm not very aware of these things.
Okay, it's okay. Okay, ma'am. From which college you are?
I'm from Lalit Kala Mahavidyalaya.
Okay, ma'am. Do you come every year?
Yeah. In the past 3 years, I'm coming every year.
Ma'am, do they invite you or you participated in your own?
They just inform us about the exhibitions and this festival. We involve from ourselves. Like this year, I was invited to come and involve in this.
Ma'am, as this generation thinks that art doesn't have any scope, so what do you think about that?
The art have a large scope. The
Can you please
huge.
tell me the basic fields that have a scope of art?
As a student of applied art, I think as a graphic designer, as an illustrator, and UI designer, UX designer, we can work in variety of field.
Okay, ma'am. What is your dream?
I want to be a UI designer.
And what is your long-term goal?
अभी कुछ नहीं है.
It's okay. Thank you, ma'am, for giving your precious time. Now we'll go inside this exhibition. An ongoing program is going on, so we'll see what type of music they are singing and how crowd is it. Come. As you can see the entry gate of this place, it is very beautiful, and you can see the Tansin picture in this wall. The music lovers, different artisans come from all over the country, all over the cities to visit this place and have the experience of this place. You can show the area how crowded it is. An ongoing event is going on. So it's the time to end our vlog. So this was the all exciting journey of Tansin Samaroh. Hope you liked my video and get to learn from this Tansin Samaroh and get to learn about the music, history and the culture of this place. So if you liked my video, let me know in the comment section. Thank you. Bye bye.